Good morning, students. Today topic is reduction formula and a gamma integral. First, number one, reduction formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx or integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. This is given problem. If n is odd, then if n is odd, then I is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on to and so on to 2 by 3 into 1. If n is even, then in or I is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, and so on to 1 by 2. Last term is 1 by 2, multiply pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Next, number 2, gamma integral. Integral 0 to infinity x to the power of n e to the power of minus ax dx is equal to n factorial divided by coefficient of minus x term is a power n plus 1. This is gamma integral. Ex number 9.6. So number 1, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Number 1, sin power 10x integral 0 to pi by 2. Let I is equal to zero to pi by 2 sin power 10x dx. N is even, therefore first formula n is equal to n minus 1, denominator n, then numerator n minus 1 9, n minus 2 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last term is 1 by 2, then multiply pi by 2. 1 by 2, then multiply pi by 2. Now 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Next 80, 160, then 512. We get pi divided by denominator 5, 1, 2. Hence, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 10x dx is equal to 63 pi divided by pi 1 Next, solution number 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x dx. Cos power 7x dx. Now in this case, power is even. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x dx. N is even or odd? Here n is odd, 7, therefore odd number. Therefore I is equal to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1. Now 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, so 16 divided by 35 hence integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x dx is equal to 16 divided by 35. Subdivision number 3, sin power integral 0 to pi by 2, no, 0 to pi by 4 sin power sin 2x whole to the power of 6 into dx. Let I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 sin power 6 yes. Put t is equal to 2x. Differentiate with respect to x, dt is equal to 2 into dx. So dx is equal to dt divided by 2. X t 0 pi by 4 pi by 2. Now I becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 60 dt divided by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant number outside the integral. 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 60 dt. Power is even. Here n is equal to 6 even power. So 1 by 2 6 n minus 1 is 5 4 3 2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 last term, then multiply 5 by 2. Now 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So 5 by 2 3s are 6. 5 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Hence integral 0 to pi by 4 sin 2x power 6 dx is equal to pi pi divided by 64. Integral 0 to pi by 6 sin power sin 3x power 5 into dx. Put 3x is equal to First let I is equal to 0 to pi by 6 sin power 5 3x into dx. Put 3x is equal to t. Differentiate x with respect to t. 3 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt divided by 3. X t. X is 0, pi by 6. Apply x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Apply x is equal to pi by 6, t is equal to pi by 2. So I becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power pi t dt divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is a constant number outside the integral. 0 to pi by 2 sin power pi t dt. Here n is equal to 5. 5 means 5 is odd number. Therefore 1 by 3 5 n minus 1 is 4, n minus 2 is 3, n minus 3 is 2 into 1 is equal to 8 divided by 15 3s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Hence integral 0 to pi by 6 sin power pi 3x dx is equal to 8 divided by 45. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x dx. Let I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x dx. We know that trigonometric identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. In this case sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Therefore 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos square x into cos power 4x dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6x dx. This is I1 minus I2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 2x dx. Here n is equal to 4. 4 is even number. Therefore 4 n minus 1 is 3, n minus 2 is 2, 1. Last term 1 by 2, then multiply pi by 2 is equal to 3 pi divided by 16. Next line we have to take I2 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6x dx. Here n is equal to 6 6 is also even number. Therefore 6 n minus 1 is 5, 4 3 into 2 1. Last term is 1 by 2, then multiply 5 by 2 is equal to 15 pi divided by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now I is equal to I1 minus I2. I1 is 3 pi divided by 16. 3 pi divided by 16. I2 is minus 15 pi divided by 64. Take first term 3 pi divided by 16. Multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 3 into 5 into 4 divided by 16 into 4 minus 15 pi divided by 64. Now 12 pi sixteen into 6, 15 divided by this. 15 divided by 6 into 16. Multiply numerator, first take first term, multiply numerator and denominator by 6 into 16. Okay, now 18 pi divided by 96 minus 15 pi divided by 96 is equal to 3 pi divided by 96. 1 3 is 3, 32 3 is equal to 5 divided by 32. Hence integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x dx is equal to 5 divided by 32. Integral 0 to 2 pi sin power sin x by 4 power 7 into dx. 7 into dx. Let I is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi sin x by 4 whole to the power of 7 into dx. Put x by 4 is equal to t. Left hand side variable is x, right hand side variable is t. Differentiate x with respect to t. So dx divided by 4 is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 4 into dt. Now the variable x limit will be changes. X t. X limit is 0 to pi. Now apply x is equal to 0 in t is equal to x by 4, t is 0. Apply x is equal to 2 pi, 2 to cancel, pi by 2. Therefore I becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 sin over 7t dt dt 4 dt. 4 dt. What is the constant number outside the integral 4 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 70 dt. Here n is equal to 7. 7 is odd number. That I becomes 4 into n is 7, n minus 1 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1. Sin power 7 dx is equal to 64 divided by 35. Ex number 9.7. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Sum number 1 is solution number 1. Integral 0 to infinity x to the power of 5 a to the power of minus 3x into dx. We know that in a gamma function, integral 0 to infinity x to the power of n e to the power of minus ax dx is equal to n factorial divided by coefficient of minus x times a to the power of n plus 1 is formula. Using the formula, let I is equal to integral 0 to infinity x to the power of 5 a to the power of minus 3x into dx. Here n is equal to 5, a is equal to 3. Therefore, integral 0 to infinity x to the power of 5 a to the power of minus 3x dx is equal to 5 factorial divided by 3 to the power of 5 plus 1 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 3 to the power of 6 is answer. Integral 0 to infinity a to the power of minus a x square x power 3 dx is equal to 32. A is positive, then find the value of a. Let integral 0 to infinity a to the power of minus a x square into x dx is equal to 32. This x power 3 into x square. Change x power 3 is equal to x square into x. Put to x square is equal to t. Left hand side variable is x, right hand side variable is t. So differentiate x with respect to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. Now x dx is equal to dt divided by 2. X dx is equal to, the limit is changeable or not changeable. Sometimes the same limit. X t x is 0 and infinity. Apply x is equal to 0, 0 square is 0, so t is 0. apply x is equal to infinity, infinity square is infinity, therefore there is no changes from the original limit. Therefore 0 to infinity e to the power of minus at, x square is t, x dx is dt divided by 2, dt divided by 2 is equal to 32 is given. Now 1 by 2 is a common number, 1 by 2 is constant number. Outside the integral 0 to infinity t power 1 e to the power of minus at into dt is equal to 32. 1 by 2 by the gamma function n is 1, coefficient of minus t term is a, n is 1 and coefficient of minus t term is a. Therefore 1 factorial divided by 1 factorial divided by a to the power of 1 plus 1 is equal to 32. Next line, 1 factorial is 1 divided by a square into 1 by 2 is equal to 32. 1 by a square is equal to 64. So cross multiplying we get a square. Now a square is equal to 1 by 64. This means 1 by 8 square. A square is equal to 1 by 8 whole square. Taking square root on both sides, we have a is equal to 1 by 8. Hence the value of a is, hence the value of a is 1 by 8. Hence the result. Today homework, EX number 9.6, sum number 1, subdivision number 7 and 8. EX number 9.7, sum number 1, subdivision number 2. Today homework is over. Study well. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you, students.